209, page 209, example 2. Okay. A chord of length 48 centimeter is at a distance of 10 centimeter from the center of the circle. So you have a circle and the chord is, how far is the chord? Chord is, by the way, chord is 48 centimeter long, and that is at a distance 10 centimeter from the center of the circle. Another chord of length 20 centimeter is drawn in the same circle. Find its distance from the center of the circle. So assuming that you have another chord, which will be really far, 20 centimeter will be here, assuming it is 20 centimeter. You are asked to find out this distance, okay? This distance is what you need to find out. Okay, so for that, what do we need to know first? We need to know the radius, okay? How will you find out the radius? Assuming that this
Pythagoras
is
theorem. From the
yes.
center we draw a line and then we use the triangle to find.
Yes, yes. So what we will do is, let's draw this. That's the radius, right? Center of the circle is OA is a radius. So let's find it out using Pythagoras theorem. So OA is equal to, you can write radius equal to 40. Okay, by the way, this is a perpendicular. What is the rule? 48. This is a perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord. Okay, so we are drawing a perpendicular from the center of, see, the distance means it is always a perpendicular. So the distance means what? It is the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the chord. Okay, this is what is meant by distance. So this is what will a perpendicular do? Perpendicular from the center, how does it divide the chord? Perpendicular from
half.
Perpendicular from the center, halves it, right? Halves a chord. So this distance is going to be 24. 48 by 2 is 24.
Yes.
Okay, so we have to, so we have two sides. Now third side we can easily calculate by 48, not 48, I'm sorry, it's 24. 24 square plus, let me write it as probably E. OE square is 10 square, which is 576 plus 100, which is 676. 676 is nothing but 26 centimeter. Okay. So it's based on the theorem you are
And
dividing.
now we have to use the radius for other triangle.
Yes. So now you have the radius like this. This radius, OD is again a radius. So here you know it is 26. Now don't you think you can calculate, make it OP or something? Can you calculate OP? Understood, right? So here, so OA, that is radius, is equal to 26 centimeter. So OD equal to 26 centimeter. Again, what will be, do we need to take the entire 20 centimeter? Shreya, are you understanding what I'm saying here? Shreya?
Ma'am, I don't understand the question you asked just now.
The same question. I'm talking about the same question. Example 2.
Yes, ma'am. What was your question again?
Did you understand?
No, yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. You asked about the OD.
No, OD is okay. What I asked is, do you OP is what is it? PD. What will be PD? This is P. Okay, this is P. What will be PD? The length PD. What would be that? Nalin and Martin, can you help me with what will be PD? What is going to be PD? CD is 20 centimeter. So what would be PD?
Just 1 second, I'm doing it. I'm a little confused.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute. You got it, I believe. So that's why I'm asking. What about others? Nalin and Nalin, are you there, Nalin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you get that, Nalin? Did you understand?
Just give me a minute.
I'm not able to hear you. What was that? Okay. Did anyone hear what Nalin said?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I think probably he has bad network. Probably. Shreya, any guesses?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so here we have learned a theorem in the last class in which we learned that from the center of the circle, when you draw a perpendicular to a chord, okay, from the center of the circle, when you draw a perpendicular to the chord, that line bisects the chord. Understood? That line, that perpendicular actually bisects the chord. So when this OP is the perpendicular to CD. OP is a perpendicular to CD. So the point where the point P actually bisects CD. Now you understood? If not, you can tell me. What about you, Martin? Are you getting me? Hello?
Yeah, I'm just doing it, miss.
No. Did you understand? That's my question.
I think so.
Okay.
Miss, can you scroll up?
1 minute. Let me
The
just
diagram.
write the theorem. The perpendicular, this is the theorem. The perpendicular to a chord from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Okay. Based on this theorem, OP bisects CD. Okay. OP bisects CD. I don't know whether you're getting this or not. OP is like this. I have this thing circle here. This is the center O. This is my chord CD. If I draw a perpendicular OP, okay, this OP will bisect CD. OP will bisect CD means what? This implies PD is equal to PC is equal to half of CD. Understood? This is what the theorem says. Based on this theorem, what we get for OP. So what will be OP? OP is equal to half of what was CD? 1 minute. What was CD? CD was what was CD? 20 centimeter. So what will be OP? OP is 10 centimeter. Understanding? So OP is this. So what we have is, this is 26 centimeter that we just calculated. And what is PD? PD was 10 centimeter. Now you just need to calculate this distance.
Ma'am, it will be 24.
24 must be 1 minute. OP is equal to, by the way, what did I write as OP? This is wrong. Okay, this is not OP. It was PD. PD is half of, I'm sorry, please
Yes,
correct it. It's not OP. It's PD. PD is 10 centimeter. So OP will be square root of, it's based on Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square minus side square is 576. Is it not? Yes. So which is 24 centimeter. So please note it down quickly. You have to write, I mean, if you, those who did not understand, please write the theorem also. So here, next question, third question is, chords AB and CD of a circle are parallel to each other. So you have a circle and you have two chords which are parallel to each other. So let the chords be AB and CD, parallel. Both are parallel. Fine. Now what? Parallel to each other and lie on opposite sides of the center of the circle. Okay, so before they write that itself, I have written like that. So what they have written is, and they lie on opposite sides of the center of the circle. So one has to lie in this side, other has to lie on the other side. So that's what they meant. Fine. Now what? If AB is 36 centimeter, AB is 36 centimeter, CD is 48 centimeter. Okay, and the distance between the chord. So this is the distance, okay? This is the distance. Distance between the chord is, what is it? 42 centimeter. So this entire thing is 42. So let me name it as EP or something. EP I'm giving, this is O. So EP is equal to 42 centimeter, okay? The entire distance between the two chords they have given. Distance between the chord is 42 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. So you need to find the radius. So what you will do here is, what I can do is, I will just join, this will be one radius, right? Similarly, I can draw another radius. This is another radius. Both are radius. Is it not? OA and
Yes, ma'am.
AO and CO are radius or radii of the circle. Radii of the circle, of the same circle. Now, we know what is CP. What is CP? I want Shreya to answer. What would be CP, Shreya? Can you guess and tell me? I know CD. I know the length of CD. Can you tell me what is the length of CP?
1/2 CD,
1/2 CD. What is that?
24.
Yes. So CP is 1/2 CD, which is 24 centimeter. Now, what is going to be AE? Martin, can you tell me what is AE?
AE, right?
Based on the principle we just discussed. So
So
OE
if
is a yeah,
sorry,
tell me.
if CP is equal to 1/2, wait, I
CP
not
AE, where is AE coming in my screen in my diagram?
AE, AB, half of AB,
Half. What did you say right now? Yes,
half of AB. So it'll
half
be
of AB. Yes,
E.
half of AB. So what
Okay.
is that?
So how
What is
about 36/2?
36/2, which is
28.
18,
18, sorry.
18 centimeter. Yeah,
18.
that's going to be 18 centimeter. Fine. So you have this as 18, the other one as 24. Now the total distance is going to be 42 centimeters. So let me take one part as X. This I am taking, this part I am taking as X. Okay, because I don't know. What I know is the total distance is 42 centimeter. If that OP, I'm just writing, let OP equal to X. Okay, then what will be OE? OE will be, OE is going to be 42 minus X. Do you agree or not? This side I'm writing, this is going to be 42 minus X. Is it correct or not? The total EP is 42. That's what they have given. The total distance between the two chords is AP. And what is AP? EP, not AP, sorry, EP. EP they have given us 42 centimeter. Did you understand till this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So EP is 42 centimeter. Then I'm writing let OP equal to X and OE equal to 42 minus X. Are you all okay with this or not? Who did not understand
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
Yeah,
I
with that you got it.
understood.
Yeah, you understood. What about others? I'm not getting other a yes from others. Shreya, Martin, Eva.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, if I have you know, the side in, let me try in, oh, now if in right triangle, OPC, okay, in a right triangle, in the right triangle OPC, can I write OC equal to, or let me write OC square. OC square equal to what? X square plus 24 square. Can I write like this? Look at the triangle. It's a right triangle. In the right triangle OPC, can I write OC square equal to X square plus 24 square? Look at this and tell me. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are agreeing. What about others? Shreya, Martin, Eva, what's happening there?
Sorry, I'm almost done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understood. Now this is radius. OC is radius. Similarly, OA is also radius. Correct? OA and OA or AO, whatever, and CAO or OC, both are radius. Okay. So similarly, I'm going to consider in the right triangle, the other right triangle. In the right triangle, what was the other right triangle? OEA. OEA. Can I write OA square equal to 42 minus x the whole square plus 18 square. Do you agree with this? Both are right triangle. Okay, I'm going to, I want to find OA square. I want to find OC square because they are telling me find the radius of the circle. Okay, so one side is 42 minus x and other side is 18. So how will I find OA? 42 minus x the whole square plus 18 square because it's a right angle triangle. Understood? Yes? No? Say something, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Can I say OC square equal to OA square since both are radii of the same circle? Yes or no? OC and OA. OC and OA, are they radii of the same circle?
Yes, ma'am.
OC and OA are same. So what I'll do is I'm equating both sides. Equating equation 1 and 2. So what will I write? X square plus 24 square equal to 42 minus x the whole square plus 18 square. Okay. So x square plus 24 square will be 576 equal to, I have to calculate 42 the whole square. 42 square we have to go and calculate. Okay, by the way, what is the formula that I have to use this for that? This is a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So
Is there
this
a
is,
way to remove the square from all the whole equation?
we can, this is going to become a quadratic equation.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we see OS, since both are actually not radii of the square. See, you just correct it. This is squares are not radii. OC and OA are radii. Okay, squares are not radii. Just correct it. OC equal to OA since both are radii of the same circle. Yeah. Now what is 42? What is 42 square? 42 minus x the whole square. You guys have done it. So what is 42 into 42 gives me, I'm just using calculator, it is 1764. 42 into 48 is 1764 minus 2 times 48. 2 times 48 means 84x plus x square plus 18 square. What is 18 square? 18 is 324. Okay. Now x square and x square gets cancelled out now. Is it not? I'm going to bring x square to one side. So x square plus 576 minus x square. Okay, I'm bringing this to the other side. So that's how it's going to become minus x square. Now what? Okay, plus 84x, then 1764 plus 324 become 2088. When it is brought to this side, it will become 2088 like this and equal to 0. All of you understood what I did here? X square plus 576 minus rest everything I am bringing from the right hand side, minus x square plus 84x, then 1764 I am adding to 324 and bringing it to the left hand side. Okay, now x square and x square gets cancelled out. 84x is there, 84x, then 2088 minus 576 I'll do. Okay, it will give me 1512 equal to 0. So what is 84x? 84x is equal to 1512. So x will be this divided by 84, which is 18 centimeter. But they got a different answer. 1 minute. They in the textbook they have got a different answer. 1 minute, where I went wrong. Let me check. Oh, they followed the same approach, but where did we go wrong? Oh, x is 18 centimeter, right? We need to calculate what? X is 18 centimeter. That's what we have calculated. We are yet to calculate radius. Okay. X we have found. Now let's calculate the radius. Fine. Give the value to x square plus 24. That is going to be radius. Radius is equal to square root of x square plus 24 square, which is 18 square plus 24 square, which is 324 plus 576, which is equal to okay, 900. It will be. Right? Yeah. So this
And
is
that's 30, right?
That's right. Yes. So this is how you should be doing it. So if any of you have not completed it, I will scroll up and please write it down. But while you write, you try to understand what you're writing and then do it.
When
Exercise.
we did the first one.
First one or first 4 we did, right? First,
We
I mean, I gave the others as homework. I believe.
homework.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So shall we try fifth one? Fifth one, did we do?
No.
No. Okay. So let's try fifth one. Exercise 17A, fifth one. Just take that page number 210. Okay. Just read the question, understand what they have given, and then I will start explaining. Okay. Hope you read it. In the following figure, AD is a straight line. So I have, so those who understood, please go ahead and do it. This is called concentric circle. Okay. Same center, but This has a bigger radius, this has a smaller radius. Center of both the circle remains the same. What are they called? Concentric circles. Okay. So in the following figure, AD is a straight line. Okay, where is AD? AD, okay, let me draw this as AD. Okay, I don't think I've drawn it properly. No, it is not proper. So 1 minute, I will just redraw it once again. Okay, this is the center of the circle O. Then I have to draw a line like this. Okay, so this is AD. Okay, AD is a straight line. OP is perpendicular to AD. This is OP. Okay, perpendicular to AD, and O is the center of both the circles. If OA is 34 centimeter, so this is 34. That means radius of the outer circle is 34 centimeter, and OB, OB is what? OB is 20 centimeter, and OP, where is OP? OP is 16 centimeter. Find the length of AB. Can you calculate the length of AB? AB. Understood the question clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
So here, what do you need to do is, you need to calculate the radius of the outer circle. See, look at this. Can I do like this distance, okay? This distance, that is AP minus BP. What is AP minus BP? What is BP? BP is this distance. What is AP minus BP? Can any of you tell me what is AP minus BP? Martin, can you guess what is AP minus BP?
AB, ma'am.
It is AB. Yes, it is AB.
Wait,
So they are, huh?
is AP minus AB.
AP minus BP.
BP.
Look at
B.
my screen. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, okay, got it.
So is it not AB?
Yeah.
Now, don't you think you can easily calculate AP and BP? How can you calculate AP? See, look at the first triangle, first right angle triangle. You know this is 16, OAP. This is 16, this is 34. Can't you calculate AP? For the other triangle will be like this. OP again, this is 16, this is B, here it is 20. Don't you think you can calculate BP? Yes or no? Shreya and Eva, what do you think?
Ma'am, I'm solving it.
You're solving it, good. Go ahead then. Others, please use Pythagoras theorem and solve for AP and BP and tell me what did you get. Okay.
Ma'am, BP is 12 centimeters and AP is 30 centimeters.
Must be, I'm not sure. So it is 20 square minus 16 square. This is 400 minus 256. Is that what you're getting? So this is 144, which is 12 centimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
BP is 12 centimeter. That's right. AP I'm yet to solve because I don't know what is 34 square. Okay, 1156 minus 256, which is 900, which will be 30. I hope that's what you told, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's do AB. AB is AP minus BP, which is
30 minus 12.
30 minus 12, which is 18.
18.
Yeah. So this is what everyone got.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Anyone who wants me to wait or? Sixth question is, in a circle of radius 17 centimeter. So we have a circle, the radius is 17 centimeter. Okay, I have, this is the center of the circle. Two parallel chords means two lines are parallel, that's all. Okay, so two parallel chords of length 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So I'm just giving a name to the parallel chords, AB and CD. Let AB is equal to what? Two parallel chords of length 30 centimeter, and CD is what? CD is 16 centimeters are drawn. Find the distance between the chords. So basically you are asked to find out this distance. Okay, this distance is what you need to calculate. What all you know? You know the radius, you know this is 17. Okay, this is also 17. Are you understanding? Eva?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is 17 given. Radius means OA and OC are radius. So 17 given. Now two chords chord length are 30 and 16. So what is this? This is going to be 30 by 2. What is 30 by 2? This is going to be 15 based on the theorem we have learned. Okay, bisects AB. A perpendicular from the center of the circle bisects AB. Based on that, this maybe let me make it as P and let this be Q. So this is 15 and this side is going to be 8 because CD is bisected will become 8 centimeter. Now can you calculate OQ and PQ? Calculate this using the triangle OPA and using triangle OQC, you calculate OQ. Add them.
Oh, okay.
So PQ will be OP plus OQ. Okay. The distance between the two chords is that. Okay, so they have asked two conditions. One is on the opposite sides of the center, other is on the same side of the center. So what you're doing is first part, on the opposite sides. Chords are on the opposite sides of the center here. Okay. So here the chords are on the opposite sides of the center. So please try. So if PQ will be OP plus OQ here. Please go ahead and do that. Those who have completed, please tell me the answer.
Ma'am, done.
Yeah, what did you get?
I got 23, ma'am.
29. So this is it 20?
Wait, no, sorry.
No, it's not. It's not. It might not be. I am
It's 7, ma'am. I took
64 actually, not it is 64. So 8, right? OP square is okay, sorry. OP is 8. And what will be OQ square? What am I writing? Not OQ square.
Yeah, ma'am. I was saying total is 23.
Got it. Yeah. Okay. Must be. Can you try the other one now if it is on the same side?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. OQ will be, what is OQ? OQ will be 17 square minus 8 square, which is 289 minus 64, which is what? 289 minus 64 is 225. So OQ will be 15. Therefore, PQ is equal to 8 plus 15, which is 23 centimeter. So 23 is what you got, right? That's correct. Now, if I am doing it on the same side, okay, look at this. If this is AB, wait, what was AB? AB is 30 and CD is 16. So this can't be AB. This is, let me make it. This is CD and AB will be longer one. Okay, remember AD will be longer one. And this is the center of the circle O. Now here, this is going to be OA, which is 17. This is going to be OC, which is 17. right? Radius is 17. That's correct. Now, what you need to find out is what? If it is on the same side of the circle, find the distance between the chords. What will be the distance between the chords? This is what you need to find out. Okay, distance between the chords are going to be BD. So what is that? Distance between, between the chords are going to be, let me make it as P and Q here itself. 1 minute, AB is corresponding as P. This is P, this is Q, okay? This is PQ is equal to what? It is going to be OQ minus OP, okay? So PQ is equal to OQ minus OP. What is your OQ and OP? It's going to be the same only. It's not going to change. So what would be that? What would be that? 15 minus 8, which is 7 centimeter. You don't need to repeat it. It's going to be the same. OP and OQ is going to be the same, whether it is on either side or on the same side. Okay. This is chords are on the same side of the center.
So we don't need to calculate all of that again.
No, because it's going to be the same thing, right? OC, if you see, what is OC? OC remains, not OC, that CQ will be what? 17 square plus CQ square. What is CQ? You're getting me? Same thing, no? 8 only will come. Chord length and chord lengths are not going to change. Chord length remains the same. Understood? The triangle thing remains the same. It is not going to change. Just the sides are changed. That's all. The place where the chords are appearing, that is changing. You're understanding? So in one case chord is here and another case chord is here, center of the circle is here. So they said they are on the opposite sides of the center of the circle. But in one case, what happens? The both are on the same side of the center. So look at this triangle. It's the radius is not going to change. The length of AB and the perpendicular, when it cuts, this is dividing, right? This is dividing. It's bisecting. So this continues to be 15 itself. It is, this side is going to be 15. This side is going to be 17 itself. So when the hypotenuse is 17 and one side is 15, how will you calculate the other side? 17 square minus 15 square, right? Similarly, look at the other side. This is going to be your radius, and just extend this line, this length CD. This half is going to be 16 by 2, which is 8. So this triangle you visualize. You have to calculate the distance. It's 17 square minus 8 square. Are you understanding? Eva?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it.
Yeah.
So, so I will wind up today now early. I want you guys to do the homework, the entire thing. 10 questions can you try? Because the last class I give till 4. 5, 6 we did. Most of the questions are very simple. So can you try these questions? Whatever you don't get, we will discuss in the next class. Next class is tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow at 10:15.
Tuesdays.
Try. Yes.
Wait,
Yes.
10:15,
Tomorrow,
ma'am?
tomorrow. Yes, 10:15 in the morning.
In the morning.
Huh.
Ma'am, I don't think I'm going out. Even
Yes,
Shreya
ma'am.
is going out too.
Okay, but I messaged, right? No one responded on that day. So what time would be good in that case? Morning, evening, 3
Evening.
o'clock? Evening 3?
I'm fine. No, wait, evening like
6.
5? Yeah, 6.